Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through role of urban local bodies, guys. So basically, urban is nothing but you can say these are some small cities, guys. Okay, okay. So we all know that cities are a bit better than villages, right? So the facilities and everything will be more in urban areas. That is nothing but cities. Okay. So that is the reason why here you will be having more roles or goals, guys. Okay. Okay. So maintaining the vehicles, sanitizing facilities, and everything should be provided by the bodies when there is any kind of disaster. So all these things should be done when there is a disaster, guys. So okay, okay. So keep unauthorized persons away from the disaster. So basically, when there is a particular disaster, if there is some kind of relief things are going on, relief camps and everything are going on, never allow any kind of unauthorized person to work there, guys, because that will lead to a huge issue. So assume that there is a medical camp going on and you know that this guy can has some experience in medicine, but he is not a doctor or he is not an authorized person. So you should not allow him to work there because that could lead to a huge issue, right? So yes. So in that way. So similarly, handling deaths. Okay. Similarly, warning and communication with the public. So there should be a proper communication method through which the information will be passed. Okay, and evacuating neighborhoods. So basically, if there is a flood or if there is a fire accident, everything should be evacuated, right? So the people should leave those places first. In that way, everything should be managed. Coordinating with volunteers. So you should bring some volunteers, like free volunteers. They'll be coming when there is any kind of issue. Few members will be ready, always ready to help others. So they will be coming, guys. So in that way, they will be your volunteers. Okay. Similarly, acquiring and allocating unused resources. So if there are any kind of unused resources, you can use them now in that way. Okay, so dealing with livestock and family pets. Okay, so disclose the unclaimable valuables. Okay, so if there are any kind of things which are not used, you can dispose them. Okay. Similarly, controlling emergencies. So if there is any kind of emergency as a thing, so you should control them, and maintaining hospitalities and hospital wards and for emergency. So if there could be anything, right? So if there is a disaster, that could lead to multiple deaths and everything. So that is the reason why hospitals should be ready to appoint them or to give them a space for their treatment and everything. Okay, so you should check hospitals and nursing homes for the for the stay of the patients and everything. Okay, similarly prioritizing the utility of a source delivery. Okay, similarly you need to share the information with everyone, the faculties and everything, facilities and everything, so that the facilities everything will be provided. Okay, okay. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about the roles of urban local bodies when there is a disaster. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture we will be starting with some acts, guys. So basically the next topic is nothing but role of a state and country on disaster management. So basically state and country will not be working a lot, right? So they'll be having some kind of rules and acts, whereas based on these things the urban and the villages everyone will be working together, right? Yes. So in the next lecture we will be going through Disaster Management Act 2005, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.